Let me ask you something. Why did we spend over a decade in school learning algebra, memorizing history, and writing essays, but never learned how money actually works? Most of us left school knowing how to pass exams, but not how to build wealth, escape debt, invest, or become financially free. Suddenly, after graduation, the world expects us to survive and thrive, but we're left unprepared for real-life financial challenges. If you've ever felt that school prepared you for tests but not for life, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share 5 money skills school never taught you. Mastering these can truly change your financial future and set you on the path to freedom. Think about it, we spend years preparing for exams, but when it comes to handling money, most of us are left guessing. The truth is, understanding money is essential for navigating adulthood. Without these skills, we're at the mercy of bills, debt, and missed opportunities. That's why learning how money works, how to invest, and how to build wealth is so important. These aren't just skills for the rich, they're for anyone who wants to take control of their life. So let's dive into the first essential money skill that school never taught us. Start with a story. Two friends graduate at the same time. Friend A lands a high-paying job while friend B gets an average-paying job. 10 years later, friend A is still stressed, living paycheck to paycheck, but friend B is financially free. Why? Because income alone doesn't create wealth, understanding money does. Money flows in 3 directions: you spend it, save it, or invest it. Most people only learn how to spend. The wealthy, however, focus on earning, keeping, and multiplying their money. If you don't control your money, it will control you. The real lesson? It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Money can only do 3 things: be spent, saved, or invested. Most people fall into the trap of earning and spending, repeating the cycle endlessly. But those who achieve financial freedom understand the importance of saving and investing. They focus on keeping more of what they earn and finding ways to make their money grow. This shift in mindset is what separates those who struggle financially from those who thrive. Remember, if you don't learn to manage your money, it will end up managing you. School teaches us to work for money, but it rarely teaches us how to make money work for us. That's the key difference between the poor and the wealthy. The wealthy invest. Investing is simply planting money today so it grows tomorrow. This could be in stocks, businesses, real estate, crypto, or index funds. The biggest mistake people make is waiting to invest, thinking they need more money first. But investing isn't about having a lot, it's about starting early and letting time work for you. Even small, consistent investments can grow into significant wealth thanks to compound interest. Many people delay investing, waiting for the perfect moment or a bigger paycheck. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the more powerful your results. Even investing $100 consistently over years can turn into thousands, not because of luck, but because time and compound interest are on your side. School taught us to chase grades, but real life rewards those who chase assets. The sooner you begin, the more your money can grow, setting you up for long-term financial security. Compound interest is often called the 8th wonder of the world. It's the process where your money earns interest and then that interest earns even more interest. Over time, this snowball effect can turn small, regular investments into a substantial sum. The key is consistency and patience. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. That's why investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to build wealth over time. Skill is uncomfortable but crucial. We live in a world of one-click buying, instant delivery, and immediate rewards, but real wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Imagine 2 people each receive $1,000. $1 spends it on a new phone, clothes, and fancy dinners. The other invests it. 5 years later, one has memories, the other has assets. Delayed gratification means choosing long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. It's about asking, will this purchase make me richer or poorer? This mindset shift is what separates those who stay broke from those who achieve financial freedom. It's tempting to spend money on things that bring instant happiness, but those who build wealth think differently. They weigh every purchase, considering whether it adds to their future or just satisfies a momentary desire. Delayed gratification is about making choices today that benefit you tomorrow. It's not about denying yourself everything, but about prioritizing what truly matters for your long-term goals. Difference between a poor mindset and a wealth mindset often comes down to how you view spending. A poor mindset says, I deserve this, focusing on immediate rewards. A wealth mindset asks, does this grow my future? It's a subtle but powerful shift. Those who consistently choose to invest in their future rather than indulge in every desire are the ones who ultimately achieve financial freedom. This one skill alone can make all the difference. School trains us for one income, a job, but relying on a single source of income is risky. If that job disappears, so does your lifestyle. Wealthy people understand the importance of building multiple income streams. These can include salary, investments, online businesses, dividends, rental income, and side hustles. You don't need to have 7 streams overnight. Start with 2, then 3, and keep building. The goal isn't to work more hours, but to create systems that pay you, even while you sleep. Let's look at some examples of income streams. Your salary from a job, returns from investments, profits from an online business, dividends from stocks, rental income from property, and side hustles. The key is to diversify. You don't need to build them all at once. Start with what you can manage and add more over time. Each new stream adds security and brings you closer to financial independence. Ultimate goal isn't to work harder, but to build systems that generate income for you. This could mean setting up a business that runs itself, investing in assets that pay dividends, or creating digital products that sell while you sleep. The wealthy focus on building these systems, allowing their money to work around the clock. The more systems you have, the more financial freedom you gain. Here's the biggest truth: school is not the end of education, it's just the beginning. The wealthy never stop learning about money. They read books, study markets, learn new skills, and adapt to changing times. Financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about consistently applying what you learn. You don't need a finance degree. What you need is curiosity, discipline, and action. Improving your financial knowledge just 1% every day can transform your life in a year. Financial education doesn't end with graduation. In fact, that's when it really begins. The most successful people are lifelong learners. They seek out new information, adapt to changes, and constantly improve their skills. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or taking courses, every bit of knowledge adds up. The more you learn, the more you earn, and the more control you have over your financial destiny. Curiosity drives you to seek out new knowledge, while discipline ensures you apply what you learn. Together, they form the foundation of financial self-education. It's not about knowing everything at once, but about making steady progress. Even a 1% improvement each day compounds into massive growth over time. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and watch your financial life transform. Let's bring it all together. School taught us how to pass exams, but life tests us with bills, inflation, emergencies, and opportunities. The 5 money skills school never taught you: how money works, how to invest, delayed gratification, multiple income streams, and financial self-education are the real keys to financial freedom. Mastering these skills means you won't just earn money, you'll build lasting freedom. At the end of the day, the real goal isn't just to be rich, it's to own your time. Financial freedom gives you choices: how to spend your days, who to spend them with, and what to focus on. Money is a tool, but time is your most valuable asset. When you master these 5 skills, you're not just building wealth, you're building a life on your own terms. You might wonder why schools never taught these essential money skills. The truth is, traditional education focuses on academic knowledge, not practical life skills. Financial literacy often gets overlooked, leaving students unprepared for real-world challenges. It's up to us to fill in the gaps and take charge of our own financial education. The good news: it's never too late to start learning. Taking responsibility for your financial education is empowering. It means you're no longer waiting for someone else to teach you, you're actively seeking out the knowledge and skills you need. This proactive approach is what sets successful people apart. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Let's recap the first skill: understanding how money flows. It's not just about earning more, but about keeping and multiplying what you have. Focus on saving and investing, not just spending. This simple shift can have a huge impact on your financial well-being. Remember, it's not what you make, but what you keep and grow that matters most. Investing isn't reserved for the wealthy. Anyone can start, no matter how small the amount. The key is to begin early and be consistent. Over time, your investments will grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now and let time work in your favor. Delayed gratification is about making choices today that benefit your future. It's easy to spend money on things you want now, but true wealth comes from investing in your future. Ask yourself before every purchase: will this make me richer or poorer? This mindset will help you build assets instead of just memories. Don't rely on just one income source. Start building multiple streams, even if it's just a side hustle or a small investment. Each new stream adds security and brings you closer to financial independence. The goal is to create systems that generate income, freeing up your time and reducing your financial stress. Financial self-education is a lifelong journey. The more you learn, the more you earn. Stay curious, seek out new information, and apply what you learn. Even small improvements add up over time. Remember, education doesn't end with school, it's a continuous process that pays dividends for life. Building real wealth isn't about quick wins or overnight success. It's about making smart decisions, being patient, and staying consistent. Every small step you take, saving, investing, learning, compounds over time. The journey may be slow, but the rewards are worth it. Stay focused on your long-term goals and trust the process. Everyone faces setbacks on their financial journey. Whether it's unexpected expenses, job loss, or market downturns, challenges are inevitable. The key is to stay resilient and keep moving forward. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and never stop striving for improvement. Every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. Believe that you can learn, grow, and achieve your goals. Stay positive, be open to new ideas, and don't let fear hold you back. The most successful people are those who believe in themselves and take consistent action no matter the obstacles. Ready to take action? Start by tracking your spending, setting savings goals, and learning about different investment options. Look for ways to increase your income, whether through a side hustle or investing in yourself. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. There are countless resources available to help you on your financial journey. Books, podcasts, online courses, and financial communities can all provide valuable insights. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek out mentors. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Good financial habits are the backbone of wealth. Automate your savings, invest regularly, and review your finances often. Small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. Focus on building habits that support your goals, and you'll find that financial success becomes much more attainable. It's easy to fall into common financial traps like overspending, taking on too much debt, or chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Stay vigilant and make decisions based on your long-term goals. Avoid shortcuts and focus on building a solid foundation. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goals. Recognize your achievements and use them as motivation to keep going. Building wealth is a journey, and every bit of progress counts. Once you start mastering these money skills, consider sharing what you've learned with others. Financial literacy is a gift that keeps on giving. By helping friends and family understand these concepts, you can create a ripple effect that benefits everyone around you. Staying motivated on your financial journey can be challenging, especially when progress feels slow. Set clear goals, track your achievements, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive people and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Motivation will help you push through tough times and stay on track. The financial world is always changing. New technologies, market shifts, and economic trends can impact your plans. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt. Keep learning and updating your strategies to stay ahead. The ability to adapt is a key trait of financially successful people. Technology has made managing money easier than ever. From budgeting apps to online investment platforms, there are countless tools to help you stay organized and make informed decisions. Embrace technology to streamline your finances and make the most of your resources. Everyone makes mistakes with money. The important thing is to learn from them and not repeat them. Reflect on what went wrong, adjust your approach, and move forward with greater wisdom. Mistakes are valuable lessons that can help you grow and improve your financial habits. Clear financial goals give you direction and motivation. Whether it's saving for a home, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, having specific targets helps you stay focused. Break your goals into manageable steps and celebrate each achievement along the way. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects you from unexpected expenses and gives you peace of mind. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will help you weather financial storms and stay on track with your long-term goals. Time is your most valuable asset. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more your money can grow. Don't underestimate the power of starting now, even if it's with small amounts. Over time, your efforts will compound and lead to significant results. Regularly reviewing your finances helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Set aside time each month to check your budget, investments, and goals. This habit keeps you accountable and ensures you're moving in the right direction. Consistency is the secret to financial success. Small, regular actions like saving, investing, and learning add up over time. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Stay committed to your plan and you'll see results in the long run. Your financial journey is unique to you. There will be ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay focused, keep learning, and remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. You have the power to create the future you want. Sum up: mastering these 5 money skills, understanding how money works, investing, delaying gratification, building multiple income streams, and committing to lifelong learning can transform your financial future. It's not about being rich for the sake of it, but about owning your time and living life on your terms. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial freedom grow.